In the constant battle against the flu, UVC technology emerges as a groundbreaking ally in safeguarding your household. But what exactly is UVC? Known for its germicidal properties, UVC light operates at a specific wavelength, effectively disrupting the DNA of viruses and bacteria. This means when UVC is applied to surfaces or air, it can deactivate flu viruses, reducing the risk of transmission. Incorporating UVC lamps or air purifiers into your home can significantly enhance your cleaning regimen, providing an invisible barrier against illness. However, caution is key. Direct exposure to humans can be harmful, so proper use is crucial. As households seek innovative ways to combat infections, embracing UVC technology offers a promising step forward, ensuring peace of mind in flu prevention strategies. And visit https://gc.lc now.